Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already subscribed, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So as you already read based off the title, I am pregnant, so this is baby number 2 for me, which is why I haven't been posting any videos in a while now. The last video I posted was New Year's, and I have been just so drained. I haven't been able to even pick up the camera and just even sit down and film anything. I feel like I haven't even had a chance to do my hair in about 6 weeks. I finally got a haircut about 1 week ago. Last week I cut my hair, got it like dyed black, but I have just been feeling so drained. So honestly, I just want to get back to my videos, and I don't know, just let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking to just do some pregnancy vlogs, still do short hair tutorials. I don't know, just let me know if you want to see my pregnancy vlogs. Sorry. Let me know if you want to see my any pregnancy vlogs. I'll continue doing short hair tutorials. I will be relaxing my hair while I'm pregnant. I know some people believe that you shouldn't be relaxing your hair, putting any chemicals in your hair while you're carrying, but I just think that everything will be okay. I've known people who have relaxed their hair while they're pregnant and their child came out perfectly fine. And my hairdresser doesn't have any problem doing that, and she's done it in the past, so I trust her. And I'm going to continue doing that, so you will continue to see short hair tutorials. Okay, so in case you're wondering why I have this cup here, one of the symptoms of my pregnancy is thyroidism. So it causes me to salivate more than usual. So I have hypersalivation. So I always need to spit, basically. I always need to keep a cup in my hand, a water bottle, anything where I can spit, because it just gets really bad. Sometimes I can't even have a full conversation with someone without needing to spit, so I always have my cup in my hand. So this is my cup. Okay, just in case you're curious, I am 15 weeks pregnant. Well, I'm 14 weeks now, but by the time I post this video, I will be 15 weeks. I'll show you guys my baby bump at the end of this video. Okay, so I don't know, 15 weeks. So basically, up until now, I haven't had any energy. I've been feeling so defeated, so pooped. I've been feeling sick, super nauseous. I was like, how am I ever gonna film? Like, am I gonna film after the baby comes? But then I just had a couple of my friends who kind of motivated me to just get the energy to do it, because I mean, I don't know, it's important to show, you know, the bad and the good side of pregnancy, and to share it, because there are people who can relate. So I think I'm gonna do that. Some of my struggles. I've been struggling with keeping my house clean. I have no energy. As some of you may know, I have a 3-year-old, and the house can get messy, and it's so hard to chase after him when I'm so drained already. And it's just like, sometimes I just feel like, you know what, just let it be. So sometimes the house is just a hot mess, and it's so stressful. As for work, I've been going to work. I work part-time, thank God, so I don't have to be at work every single day for 8 hours a day. So that kind of takes some stress off my shoulders. I have time to stay home and relax and recoup and just satisfy my cravings. Speaking of cravings, some of the cravings that I've been having, I had to write them down because every week it changes, like it's crazy. So 1 week I was craving fish. So not any type of fish. It had to be snapper. It had to be stewed, so stew fish. And I'm Jamaican, so it had to be done like the way how my mom does it. So my mom, you know what, God bless her, my mom, she would literally go to the supermarket and buy me fish and cook me fish like anytime I wanted. Stew fish with rice and peas, okra, whatever you want to call it. And that just, it saved my life. So I was craving that for about a week and a half, and then I was just so sick of it. And then I was binging on sushi. So not raw fish. I know there are sushis that are prepared with raw fish. I don't eat that, obviously, because it's not good for the baby anyways. But usually it'd be like a shrimp tempura roll or a dynamite roll. But I've been binging on that. I've been also eating, I wrote it down here, I've been recently craving oxtail. So I had it once. My mom made it for me sometime on the weekend, and now I'm just like, I need to learn how to make this so that I can make it for myself, because I've been craving it so bad. Oh, and I've been craving Harvey's Angus burgers. Harvey's Angus burgers, oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. Okay, so that's my struggle, keeping the house clean, my cravings. I was nauseous a lot during the day for the first I would say 5 to about 12 weeks, and then it moved to becoming nighttime nausea. So exactly 8:30 every night, like I literally had to run to the bathroom and throw up, whether I had something in my stomach or not, to the point where I was throwing up shards of blood. I don't know if that makes sense. So I've been dealing with nighttime nausea still now. I have been like so antisocial. I don't know if I fell into some type of depression, but I've been so antisocial because I'm just like, I need to get over this first trimester because I'm miserable. I'm so sick. I just felt so out of myself, and I've been like, I haven't been reaching out to my friends. I haven't been replying to messages, WhatsApp messages. I've been ignoring people left, right, and center, and I hope they can forgive me, because it's not me, it's this pregnancy. It's hard. But anyway, what did I want to talk about? So I don't know, I've been trying to figure out ways to make it easier to, I guess, keep my house clean, because that's important to me. And so I finally bought a Swiffer. I've been mopping my house the old-fashioned way with the mop and bucket and just wringing out the mop with the pine sol water, bleach water, whatever. And I'm like, that takes too much energy. So I finally bought a Swiffer wet jet. I don't know if it does the same type of clean, but it's just so much, it's just so much easier, and took a lot of weight off my shoulder. So I've been using that. What else do I want to talk about? I think that's all I want to talk about. I just wanted to update you. So if you're ever wondering why I haven't been posting or what's going on, the last post I made was in January. It's because I've been so pooped. I have no energy. I just didn't have anything to give. I don't even know if I really have the energy today, but I have more energy than I had before, so I'm filming this video now. And no matter how it turns out, I'm posting it. Because I just want to keep up with, you know, my videos, and I have a lot of new subscribers, and I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I like my little community that I have here. But just leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see any more pregnancy updates. I will continue to be giving you my short hair tutorials, my cleaning tutorials, not even cleaning tutorials, just cleaning motivation videos. And if you can think of anything else that you want to see, just let me know. If you want to get to know me better, just leave some questions and I can do a get to know me Q&A. And I feel like I'm rambling. This whole video might have been a ramble, but it kind of felt good to let it off my chest, you know. hope I didn't miss anything. I'm gonna show you guys my bump if you want to see it. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.